Hi, welcome to my channel, The Mini Mathematician. Today we will discuss in this video about how we create Canva account. Basically, Canva.com is one of the best tool for social media marketer. You can design from Canva, YouTube thumbnail, presentation, Instagram post, logo, channel art, poster, Facebook post, banners, Facebook cover, etc. Now we will create a Canva account. How we create Canva account? Basically, Canva is a tool designed for building graphic designing like social media post, presentation, business cards, etc. In Canva, user can create pre-built template as well as they can create custom dimension template as per the requirement. So let's start by creating a Canva account. First of all, you search here canva.com and enter. You can see Canva website is already open in browser. If you have already Canva account, you log in. If you have Canva account already, you log in, and if you do not have Canva account, then you can create new Canva account by clicking on sign up button, which is at the upper right corner. Once you click on sign up button, you will have three options. Continue with Google, continue with Facebook, continue with Apple, continue with email. You can choose any convenient option to signing into Canva, and here you can create free Canva account as it depends upon your opportunity. Now my Canva account is created. I click on login and my account is created. When I log in, Canva open this user face. Search and choose blank template, which will open Canva dashboard or Canva editor. Here is your Canva account is created. You can design from here. You can use template features, and you also select custom size. Which size you required, you can type here. This is our video about Canva create account. Please subscribe my channel and share it.